kids, today we are going to make reindeer for the Christmas. Here is how the reindeer looks. So let's get started. For the reindeer we are going to need this material. We are first going to need this brown paper, any shade of brown paper you can take, and this white paper for the legs, nose and ears and the mouth as well. This is for the eyes, the black one. You can use any other black color, not an issue. And this red paper for the small nose of the reindeer. A scissor, pencil, brown and red marker, and this shade you can use any other dark brown color shade for the horns. Stapler, and here I have took brown color cloth. You can use any thread, not an issue. Okay, so this brown paper we are going to take. This is for the upper portion and this is for the body of the reindeer. So see, I have made a line like this. We are going to cut it. Okay, so we have made this paper. I've cut this paper. This is for the head portion and this is for the body portion. So we are just going to fold it. I'll show you it. First we will fold it this way, and then we are going to turn the paper, and with the same measurement we are going to fold it another way. So we'll just put some pressure on it, and now we are going to take the middle portion and we will tie this. You can use brown color thread or black color thread. So kids, this is done. We have put this thread like this. Now we are just going to take one side and glue it to the another. We are just going to put some pressure on it so that it will get firmly stick. So we have stick one side, another side also we are going to do the same. You can take the help of the stapler if the glue is not working. So this is, we are done with the body, and now we will take the face of the reindeer. Again we are going to do the same process. So this is the face, and we are going to put this thread. We'll put a tight knot. So for the face, again the same as we did with the body. We'll just glue it to both the sides and we will stick it together. Wait for some time. So we are done with the body and the head part. Now we'll keep this aside. And so kids, of this from this white paper I have drawn this. These are the legs, these are the ears, its mouth, and these two eyes. Now we are going to cut it. So kids, we have cut this ears, two ears, two eyes, one mouth and two legs. Now we'll just keep it aside. And for the horns I have took this paper and I have drawn like this. You can fold the paper so that you will get two horns. You have to draw. So we'll cut this out. Okay, so we have made these two horns, and with this black paper we are going to make the deer's pupils in the eyes. We'll just cut it out. I have made this size of circle. We'll just fold the paper so at one time we'll get two pupils. So here we are done, and now we'll begin with the sticking part. So again, moving to the first one, the reindeer's body and the head. So we are going to staple this. So we have done with the sticking of the reindeer, and now moving to the legs part, we are just going to take a brown marker to the legs. We are going to take the legs and color it in brown color, the bottom part for the nails. Okay, so moving ahead, we are going to stick the legs. I'm just going to glue it. So moving ahead, we'll just stick the eyes. Done with the eyes, now we are going to stick his mouth. And this I have cut a small circle of the red color paper for the nose of the reindeer. I'm going to stick it here. And these pupils for the eyes. And for the reindeer smile, we are going to use a red marker. So made this smile, and now moving ahead with the ears. We are going to glue it. So let's get started. With the ears, we are just going to press it. Both the ears we are sticking it. So we are done with the ears, and now the last thing, we are going to put the reindeer's two horns. So we are going to glue it. We are going to put the horns on both the opposite sides, like this. We have stick this horn, and here's the reindeer is ready. Both the reindeers we are going to have. Thank you so much, kids, and I hope you make it at your home. Bye bye.